Welcome back to my YouTube. Last video, we explored nested routes and created a post folder in the app directory. Contain subfolders post1 and post2, each with the corresponding page. However, for more intricate applications, this approach may not always be suitable. This leads us to another scenario. In this scenario, we're focusing on building a product listing and details page. When a user goes to products, we aim to display a list of 3 products. If the user navigates to products ID, the application should dynamically show details about the specific product ID. Let's dive into the implementation using Next.js. First, create a products folder within the app directory. Inside the products folder, add a page.tsx. This file will define a component to display the list of products. If from localhost 3000 navigate to products, we can see products with a list of products. Okay. Now create a separate folder for each product inside the products directory. For example, create a folder named one with a page.tsx. If after products type 1, we can see p1 page. Well, if we have 1000 products with this method, we have to make 1000 pages. So this method is wrong. So we have to jump into dynamic routes. First, I remove this. Okay. To enable dynamic routing, use square brackets like product ID. Okay. And add a page.tsx file inside. Create page.tsx here, and just define a simple component. Okay, page product. Okay. Now, if in products routes type any product's name, we can see a same page. 1000. Okay. Now utilize the props provided by Next.js in the page.tsx file to access the product ID. For this, I use params, and here can use params dot product ID. Okay. As you can see, if type here 1 product 1, if type here product 1000 product 1000. Customize the content based on the product ID. Now every product has its detailed page. Now for satisfy TypeScript, we can use proms. Okay, product ID as string and done. Dynamic routes in Next.js simplify the process of implementing the least detailed prompts in any application. That wraps up our scenario implementation. Don't forget to subscribe for more Next.js tutorial. Thank you for watching.